am doing a review on these 2 cakes here and a giveaway. You'll get both of these. All you need to do is comment down below something crochet related, and I'll pick a winner with the random comment picker to participate. That's all you need to do, but you also need to be a subscriber. I have all my promotions listed down below this video, and one of them is 2 of my crochet books on Kindle and paperback on Amazon. Another one is Knit Crate, and the other one is Etsy crochet mugs. Okay, so also a Facebook group and page if you'd like to join. This is Mandala if you have not ever used this one. It's pretty soft and it has really pretty vibrant colors. Orange, green, the blue, looks like red and pink. And it's 100% acrylic, 5.3 ounces, 150 grams, 344 yards, number 4 medium. It has a really soft texture to it, really pretty colors. And I'm trying to see what the name is. It's Happy, so that's the name of it. And the review on this is the texture of it is soft. It is a little bit more of a finer, thinner yarn, even though it does say medium. And the colors are really pretty. They're kind of like a little bit of a neon color to them. So yeah, very nice color. If you've never used Mandala before, this one seems pretty nice. I want to say I bought this maybe at Walmart for maybe $5 to $6. But I can't remember. I've bought so many over the years. This is part of my stash for a giveaway. Now this is the Ferris wheel Lime brand. This one has like kind of like a faux fur to it. Very soft texture, nice pastel colors, like a light purplish blue, purple, and like a turquoise kind of color to it. Very soft. And this one is 3 ounces, 270 yards, 100% acrylic. Cotton Candy is the name, and it's a 4 medium. Very nice color. Depends on what you're looking for. I'm going to see if I can find these on Amazon and list them down below if you want to take a look and see if there's different colors. So these are the 2 that I'm giving away. Like I said, comment down below. Make sure you're a subscriber. All my promotions are on the video down below. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please subscribe.